Welcome to
Welcome to
Francis
Francis
Collins School.
Collins School.
Hello everyone, this is our last unit, you know it, so let's see. Okay, today we are going to do the revision, okay, the picture that I sent in the PDF, okay. We're going to do this part. The first part, it says cross out the old word, then add one more. Who is the word that we are going to add? In this case, it says, let's see, number one, tablet, video camera, memory, DVD player. Mm, which word or which word doesn't are in the group of the objects there? For example, tablet, video camera, DVD player. Memory, no. Memory, no. Yeah. And we could add their laptop. Yes, tablet, video camera in the group of this. Number two, we have pears, grapes, carrots, apples. Which word we are going to cross out? Carrot. Yes, because we are talking about fruits. Yes. Oranges. We are going to add oranges. Number three, airport, taxi, subway, train. Which word? Which is the old word? The old word here is the airport, because we are talking here taxi, subway, train. Those are means of transportation, like the bus. Okay. Number four, elevator, pharmacy, newsstand, shoe store. It doesn't here is elevator, yes, and we are toy store. We are talking about places in the city. Okay, so let's see the next part. Here it's a circle, the correct word. Okay, let's see. My father's car is the traffic lights or parking lot. In this case, we have parking lot. Yes. Number two, let me give you some advice. Structure by the red tie, the blue one. Let me give you somewhat, some some advice. Okay. Number three, I like some ice cream for dessert. Yes, very good. Okay. Now, number four, can you pick up my mom from the airport? Her flight arrives at 10 a.m. Number five, how much weight? How much do the elephant weigh? Yes, this is the answer here. Now, let's go to our next page. We have here grammar. Complete the blank with some, any, or no. Okay, for example, number one, it says, do we have any oranges? Do we have any oranges? I'm afraid there are no oranges, but there are some apples. Okay, number two, let's try. I'm sorry, there is no chocolate cake. Would you like some ice cream? Yes, do you remember the question? Would you like some ice cream? Okay. Number three, I'm not angry and I don't want any food. Any food. Can I have some oranges? Number four, there are some peas and carrots in the soup. There are some peas and carrots in the soup. Now, let's go to letter D, okay? Complete the blanks with the subject or object pronoun. For example, number 1, I don't have an MP3 player. My brother wants to buy me one for my birthday next week. Okay, this is in number 1. What about number 2? Is that your new smartphone? Can I see? Can I see it? Okay, can I see it? Sure. Number 3. Danny is late. Where is he? I don't know. Let's call him. Okay. Number 4. My sister Hope likes Mexico. In an English teacher. In an English teacher. What is missing there? She is an English teacher. My sister Hope lives in Mexico City. She is an English teacher. Number 5. Where are my shoes? I can find. I can find. I sorry, was she? I can find them. That's our bowl give it to us. Okay, let's go to the next part. It says, circle the correct word. How much, how many, a few, a little, according with the sentence. Okay, number 1, it says, how much or how many does it cost? The answer is how much. When we talk about prices, we talk about how much. Now, in the next part, it says, there are fast food restaurant in the new shopping mall. Okay, there are a few fast food. Okay, number 3, I have a lot of new songs on my MP3 player. Number 4, there aren't. Okay, number 4. In number 4, we have there aren't many nice blouses in the store. Number 5, let's go. We don't have. Do we don't have much or many? Much. We don't have much time. Number 6. How much milk do you want to your coffee? Here is just a little. Okay, very good. This is letter 8. So now let's go to the next page. We have here communication. Okay, we're going to finish now. In this part, what do you have to do? This is a conversation, so we have to match number with letter. For example, how much is the tablet? Which is the answer to this question. This is a price, so how much? Letter D. Number 2, what about, no, what would you like for dessert? For dessert, it says letter B. I want, okay, a piece of chocolate cake, it's okay. Now, let's see. Number 3, where is the shoe store? Where is the shoe store? The shoe store is on the second floor. Yes. Can you wait for a minute? Number 4, can you wait for a minute? Okay. The letter for this is, can I wait a minute? Check your time. Letter A. And the last one, can I help you? It says yes. So obviously here is the last one. Yep. Okay. Now, here is letter E. So let's go. Now, we're going to talk about today about the past progressive, okay? el pasado progresivo continuo, ¿ok? En tu cuadernito colocas el título. You're going to write this, okay? Past progressive. Colocas este título en tu cuadernito. And we have here the structure when we use the fast foot, okay? Well, the fast, this picture, okay? Now, we have the subject, okay? Look at the subject, I, you, we, they, you, yes. Then we have was and where, okay? In this is the positive form, positive, and here is negative. Okay. In the positive we say, for example, I was going to the park. I was going to the park. You were going to the park. You were doing your homework. Okay. It's like in Spanish that only change the I don't know. It doesn't have any change too, because for example in the negative form we have wasn't. Yes. So I don't think for example in negative, okay, we have I wasn't going or you weren't doing your homework. Okay, very good. Be careful with each subject work, with each people there works. Well, the verbs. Okay, now this you have to copy this in your notebook. Okay, we have the affirmative form and we have the negative form. Negative. Yes, using the past of those, like for example we have wasn't, weren't. Okay, you know which with which subject it works. Okay, I wasn't, you weren't, he wasn't, she wasn't, it wasn't, you weren't, we weren't, they weren't. Okay, they weren't doing. In the past progressive, okay, we use this like an auxiliary. Okay, then you are going to write the verb, and then you are going to write the verb with the ing. Okay, that's it. Now, in questions, it's like the same. We have one of past questions, tense, yes, no questions. So you have to copy this chart too in your notebook. Okay. Deben de copiar este cuadrito también en su cuadernito. So now, what else? Here we have was and where. Were you watching World Cup last night? No? Okay. Were you dance? I sorry. Were you watching? No. Were you being lazy? According to yourself. Okay, you're going to answer according to you. Yeah. What else? You have a practice. Okay, about this is this past continuous. This is a live worksheet, and this is the first part that you have to complete. I was, you weren't, he wasn't, she was, okay? Or well, she was. Sorry, guys. And you are going to pass to number 2, where it says complete the sentence with the correct form. Okay, with the correct form. So here you have to complete, okay, the sentences and the other two, okay? So it's almost everything, guys. Remember that you have to send me the pictures of what we did today. Recuerda de enviarme las fotos de lo que hicimos el día de hoy. Y además, that's all for today.